here with Miller Woodworks, and we just got our first load of 2 from Lowe's Lumber for our pergola build today. Yeah, let's go check it out. Thanks, man. All right, we are back out for day 2. I finally got the rest of my lumber, so I can dig it out, get it on the pad, start getting the structure up. 9 hours. Structure's up. Pretty cool. I still gotta get rid of that. Tomorrow I'm gonna come out and add some 45 angles on the back and then on the front, and then putting the roof, plastic roofing on. If the 6x6s are dry, I'll stain it, but I think it's gonna take a little bit longer to dry. So might have to wait a couple days and come back out and slap some stain on the beams. But I can stain the top anyways tomorrow, and yeah, we're almost there. Woo whoop. That is a wrap on this pergola build. Thank you so much if you made it all the way to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to our channels. That little thumbs up button means more to us than you can imagine. We'll see you on the next one.